All right, guys, got a little hot topic today. I'm sure this is going to be a little hot topic, but I'm going to talk about it. We need to talk about it for a long time before we get started. You ever seen one of these before? Best belts on the planet. Certainly great for this here Ranger. Don't forget, we do sell the best belts on the planet. Over 30,000 sold, less than 1% failure rate. Hard to beat. Ain't that right? Whoop, whoop. All right, let's get away from that. All right, so what I want to talk about today is clutch kits and tuners on Rangers, particularly Rangers. It doesn't matter 800s, 900s, 1000s, it does not matter. And I also would like to preface this saying this is my opinion. There is no black and white answer to this. And also, I'm not throwing all the tuning guys and the clutch kit people that do it together under the bus. That's not what we're doing. The most critical thing that I ask somebody when this topic comes up is, what are you doing with it? You know, so that is the number one thing that determines if you need clutching after you do some kind of tune. All right, so I kind of get the tune. I've got a Ranger 1000. Actually, this one has a ECU flash I ain't even put on it and been sitting here for a year, but my other Ranger 1000's got a flash on it from a hand tuner. I can tell a little difference, a little faster maybe. All right, but here's the deal. All right, so let's say that you are you just get in it, get down on it, you're on that throttle, off the throttle, you got a tune, you got bigger tires, whatever, you're having a blast, you're just, you know, you're driving it like a razor. That's when tuning and clutch kits on a Ranger come together. Why? Because the tune usually moves the peak power point up, moves it higher in RPM. To get the most out of your tune for performance, you need to get shift phase RPM and the clutch up to match it. Okay, that's awesome, you know, if you're a fast rider. Well, I ain't a fast rider, but I kind of like the benefits of the tune, the turning the fan on sooner, etc., all the other benefits you may get out of it. But I haul firewood, I go hunting, I'm a duck hunter. I just drive around my farm, you know, I haul hay for cows, whatever it may be. You're using a Ranger for work. All right, if you do that, here's what's going to happen. Is one, you're going to have a high engagement RPM you probably ain't going to like because you had to go lighter weight, stiffer spring in the clutch to get that RPM during shift phase. You go, man, this thing, the drivability ain't what it used to be. I can't ease on the gas. That's right, because you put a performance clutch kit in it to match your tune. Hey, I don't like that at all. Man, I got bigger tires and I had a load of hay in there going to feed the cows, dropped down in a ditch, got the tires in the bind, smoked the hell out of a belt. Yeah, you did. Why? Because you had lighter weight, stiffer spring in your clutch to get that RPM and that performance, okay? So that's where the opinion comes in. I don't know that I'm the only person that asked this. It appears that way sometimes. I jokingly say that, you know, my clutch colleagues, they just have this tunnel vision and they don't seem to ask, well, what are you doing with it? You know, and that's very important. And so what you're doing is as important as what you have, okay? So at the end of the day, if you're doing a tune and you're a fast rider, on and off the throttle, 100% right. I wouldn't disagree with it. We don't sell clutch kits here at Hunterworks. So if you get a tune from whomever and they sell clutching, I'd probably get it from them and let it match up. If you are getting a tuner and you're a work guy, this may be hard. You just say, sir, I'll take the tune, I'll do without the clutch. But nothing, sir, I appreciate it. It's just not the direction I'd like to go in. I'd like the tune only. All right, now, please don't do this. Don't say, Acme tuners and clutch kits, Todd at Hunterworks said. Don't do that to me. Don't throw me under the bus because I'm not throwing them under. Their applications work faster people. Their applications don't work, my opinion, for slower people. So please don't throw me under the bus. I'm not throwing them under the bus. All right, so hopefully that's just a little education of why we don't recommend clutch kits and tuners with tuners on Rangers. Rangers. This does not apply. Somebody's gonna go, well, I got a Razor. I didn't say Razor, I said Ranger. The work vehicle, like this big joker I'm standing under. Hope it don't fall on me. All right, hope that's clear as mud. I do get this question a lot. I have to answer it a lot. I have to type it a lot. So I thought I'd make a little video. All right, appreciate you guys so much. If I can help you, Todd@hunterworks.com. The phone, yeah, I know. I wouldn't even bother. You're just probably gonna get mad. So Todd@hunterworks.com if you got text questions. Appreciate you so much.